Welcome to a new episode with ideas, insights, and inspiration for your life, work, and love. You are listening to the Constellateur podcast with your host, Tom Wittig. Welcome to the Systemic Insights Journeys, where we explore the world of systemic approaches and how they can be applied in your day-to-day lives and work. In this episode, I will be sharing three simple but powerful examples of how you, as a manager, can improve the quality of your meetings and interactions with your staff using principles from systemic approaches. First, start by setting a clear intention for a meeting. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve from the meeting and communicate this clearly to your team. This will help everyone stay focused and ensure that the meeting stays on track. It also helps to create a sense of purpose and direction, which can be easily applied in a very motivating way for your team. Let me share an example how to open a meeting with this approach. You might say, "Hi team, in today's meeting, our intention is to review our progress on the project and identify any roadblocks that are preventing us from reaching our goals. By the end of this meeting, we want to have a clear action plan on how to move forward." Sounds simple, doesn't it? A second idea. Create a safe and open space for discussion. Encourage your team members to express their thoughts and ideas freely, without fear of judgment or criticism. This helps to foster trust and respect among the team members, which can lead to a more productive and a more collaborative meeting. Here's another example. Before we begin, I want to remind everyone that this is a safe place where we can share our thoughts and ideas freely. I encourage you to speak up and express your opinion, and I promise to listen without judgment or criticism. A third idea. Practice active listening and provide feedback. Take the time to listen carefully to what each team member has to say and provide a constructive feedback that encourages growth and development. This not only helps to build stronger relationships among the team members, but also ensures that everyone is working towards a common goal. Here's an example from a one-to-one meeting conversation. John, thank you for sharing your thoughts on the new marketing strategy. I appreciate your input and I would like to build on it. I think your idea to focus on social media is great. And I also think that we need to consider the budget constraints that we have. Let's brainstorm how we can make it work while staying within our budget. This is a simple way of repeating what you have heard and adding to it. So let me give you another hint. By using the word "and" instead of "but," the feedback reinforces the value of John's ideas while also acknowledging the need to address the budget constraint. This approach fosters a more collaborative environment where everyone's ideas are valued and encourages the team to work together to find a solution. You may want to check out the episode or the video with the title "The Power of And," which you can find here in the podcast, but also on the Constellateur YouTube channel. By applying these simple yet powerful approaches in your day-to-day management, you can create a more positive and productive work environment for you and your team. Now, I encourage you to try at least one of these ideas in your next meeting with your staff and share your feedback with us here on the show. Send us a message in the show notes or leave a voice message and let us know what worked and how it worked for you and your team. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode of Systemic Constellation Insights. And I'm wishing you, as always, good luck. Thank you for listening. I hope you found interest and insights for yourself and for others. Please share this episode with your family, friends, and colleagues.